Hey guys, this is Mike with White Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to auto hide your mouse cursor automatically. So this might be useful when you're recording game footage or if you're watching a movie and you want the mouse to auto hide after a set amount of time. This is a free and lightweight program that you can just run on startup. So the link will be in the description and you just want to click the download button. I'm going to use the 64 version and save it to my desktop. Open it up and extract it. So now you just want to open it up, and basically you want to make sure that it starts with Windows and the timer is set to what you want. So I'll set it to 5 seconds and that's it. As you can see, the timer doesn't go down when I'm moving the mouse, but the second I let it go, the timer starts to go down, and after 5 seconds it disappears. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back with a lot more. See you guys.